Hey y'all, thanks so much for clicking on this video. So of course y'all know what time it is. It's time for a packing video, getting ready for Groupcation. Leave next week. So I'm gonna show y'all everything that I'm bringing. Well, glimpses, because I'm not unpacking all of this stuff. So y'all know I live by packing cube. So this packing cube has all of my casual clothes, my daytime wear. Got my towel clips for Bimini, hair oil, braid spray, sunscreen down there, washcloths. Now, it's going back and forth. Some people say they don't do washcloths at all. Some people say they have them, but you have to ask for them. I ain't taking no chances. Jocelyn need her washcloths, so I got a pack of washcloths from Target, okay? This entire packing cube has all the unmentionables, underclothes, socks, bras, you know, all that fun stuff. This is my toiletry bag. This is my bag for activities on the ship. I'm going to just leave it at that. Y'all got to watch the vlogs if y'all want to see what I mean. This bag has my shoes in it, flip-flops and sandals. Got my beach bag folded underneath there. This packing cube has my swimsuits and my cover-up. That bag under there, you use that to put your dirty clothes in. After you finish, it can't fit much, but it helps. This bag has all my evening wear. Y'all see that red dress that's for Scarlet Night. And then it's got some other evening dresses. This bag here is my cleaning bag. And literally, I don't care what y'all say, it got everything in it. It got this, it got hand sanitizer, it got wipes for the hands, wipes to clean, wipes for the hands, got my room spray, got a little mini bottle of sanitizer, got my lint roller in there, got my wrinkle release spray, all of that stuff. So that's the cleaning, I guess, bag you can say. Have a makeup bag here, first aid kit there. I'll put that back up in a little while. Got my book bag, got my neck pillow connected. Book bag has my pajamas. This is a little travel bag. It can carry your passport and your ID and your debit card, credit cards, all that fun stuff. So I'll be packing that, of course, the night before. Embarkation clothes. This is an electronics bag. And all of these bags I got from Temu, y'all. The packing cubes I've been had, but all the like the little toiletry bags and all of these bags you see, Temu. This is going to be my electronics bag. Nothing is in it now, but like my spare batteries for my phone, the portable batteries, all of my chargers, all of that stuff is going to go in here. And then up here, just got my sunglasses, another little thing of Lysol spray, Tylenol, that type of stuff. So I'm pretty much together. I'm getting it there, y'all. I'm like 95% there. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.